Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a unboxing and first review of the Lenovo IdeaPad S540. It is a mid to top range laptop and it's great for university and work use. The price can range from £450 to £1,000 plus depending on your chosen specifications. It comes with either a NVIDIA GTX 1650 2GB GPU or Intel integrated GPU with up to 12GB of DDR4 RAM, up to 512GB of SSD storage and up to an Intel i7 10th Gen CPU. The laptop comes in three colours, mineral grey, copper and abyss blue. This model has an Intel i3 10th Gen CPU clocked at 2.1 GHz, 250GB of SSD storage and 4GB of DDR4 RAM, and Intel integrated graphics. It has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with narrow top and side bezels, and it covers 72% of the NTSC color gamut. The color of this laptop is mineral grey and the price was £450, but you may pick up on sale. In the box you'll get the laptop startup guide, warranty guide and a 65-watt power adapter. The Lenovo IdeaPad S540 has a robust construction and it's made from aluminium. It has two 2-watt speakers with Dolby Audio. The ports include two full-size 3.1 Gen USBs, one of which supporting charging, a AC in, one USB Type-C 2nd Gen port, a combo mic and headphone 3.5mm jack, a full-size HDMI port which is 1.4 Gen, and a full-size SD card reader. It has privacy shutters for the camera and the mic, fingerprint sensor, with a backlit keyboard and numeric pad. The laptop weighs 1.8 kg, making it fairly light and great for everyday use. The speakers on this laptop are down facing, therefore sound may come out muffled when placed on a flat surface. Also, the fan grille are located on the rear of the laptop. The hinge on this laptop is strong, therefore making it reliable. The laptop runs fairly cool, however the fans do amp up with intense and extended use, making it noisy. The average battery life is about 7 hours and the laptop has an elegant look. This laptop has a useful feature which allows it to charge any USB device without actually powering on the laptop, making it a useful and welcome feature. After turning on the laptop for the first time, you'll be required to set up Windows. Windows will guide you throughout the setup process. The initial boot may take time as Windows needs to be fully installed. Once Windows is fully installed and up and running, the laptop will boot faster due to the SSD.
We've been told that's the way our world goes right.
The shot coming up next, we will do a display and sound check, but the camera I am using will not do it justice as the panel is great and you will enjoy consuming content on it.